So in this tutorial too, I am going to show you a way so that you can simulate this keypad module along with your circuit in Proteus. So let's go to the Proteus file. In here you can see I have used PIC16F690 and a LCD display is also connected with the microcontroller. Now the code I wrote for this microcontroller is very simple. What it does, it takes your value from UART receive pin. The UART receive pin for this microcontroller is RB5, and whatever value it gets, it shows it in the LCD display. Now if you look at the keypad module gives data out through standard communication protocol UART. So in replacement of keypad module, you can use virtual terminal. So that's how you can simulate your circuit which will be interfaced with the keypad module in Proteus. Now when you replace this virtual terminal with the keypad module, it works the same. It works like the same. When you write in the virtual terminal 0x32 or give string character 2, this virtual terminal will give out data in ASCII character. This ASCII character will be received by the microcontroller, and this ASCII character will be sent to LCD display, and LCD display will show this ASCII character in this corresponding string format. So I am telling it again. Instead of the keypad module, you can use virtual terminal while doing simulation in Proteus. You may have some other circuits too, but you would want to check your code that whether it is right or wrong, whether the code you wrote is perfectly working okay when you interface it with the keypad module. So in place of keypad module, you can always use virtual terminal. So let me show how to use virtual terminal. It's very easy. You can select this component virtual terminal from virtual instruments mode, and from here you can select virtual terminal. You can select it from the mode this virtual instrument mode, and then you can select virtual terminal. Once you select it, you can place it in here. After that, you will have to, if you double click on it, a window will pop up naming edit component. In here you will have to select the baud rate, as there are two options in the keypad module, of one of 9600 and another of 1200. So we are taking the value 9600 in here. So now we start the simulation process. Well, once we start it, you will get the virtual terminal display. So suppose I show you the way how to bring this virtual terminal display. Once you start the simulation, right click on it and click on virtual terminal. In here, whatever you write, you won't be seeing it, but whatever you write, it will be sent through the UART communication protocol and through the pin TXD of virtual terminal to RB5 of microcontroller. To see what you type in the virtual terminal, you will have to enable the option echo type characters. So now when I press 1, you will get to see 1 in here, and this the corresponding ASCII character that is in hex format will be passed through the UART pin. If I press 1, you can see in the LCD display 1 also. That is, when I pressed 1, the virtual terminal sent out data as 0x31. You can also see the hex format in virtual terminal. If I right click and then select the option hex display mode, then whatever I will be writing, it will be shown in here in hex display. Now if I press 2, you will be seeing in here 0x32. I press 2 and you can see it is showing in hex format 32, and in here you can see 2. Now again, if I press 1, you can see 0x31, it is in hex format, and you can see 1 in the LCD display. So this is how you can simulate the keypad module and your circuit in Proteus by using virtual terminal in place of the keypad module. So this is actually the end of tutorial 2. In tutorial 3 and 4 I will be showing you how to write code for interfacing keypad module with your circuit.